T20 and ODI series are done. Now we move on to the most exciting series, the most awaited series, that is the Test series. And why it is exciting? Because that's where your skill and your mental strength is tested. That's where the characters comes out. That's where they say a cricketer becomes a complete cricketer. And saying that, what excites me more is the first test match is going to be a pink ball test. And when you talk about pink ball test, because the ball is little different and the duration of the play is different. So it starts in the afternoon, then it goes down till the evening. You play under light. The conventional test match is different and this is different. So I feel our spinners will be very important, because the wicket are not going to assist our spinners, or in fact the Australian spinners too much, because there will be some grass on it. That's what I'm assuming. And as you know, everybody in the world, they know that Indians, their biggest strength is their spinners. So saying that, unfortunately we'll miss the services of Ravindra Jadeja because of the concussion. He's out of the first test. And thankfully we have someone like R. Ashwin, who can bowl really well, and we've seen that he's been doing well in the practice games. He picked up those wickets, bowled those tight lines. Saying that, there's one more person who I feel can be a game changer for Team India, that is Kuldeep Yadav, because in domestic pink ball tournament he was successful, and batsmen were finding it difficult to face him. And why? That is because he especially during the twilight time, twilight as in especially when the sun is setting, the natural light is going down and then the artificial light comes up. That's when most of the batsmen were finding him difficult to face. They were not able to read what he's bowling. So that's when he picked maximum wickets. And I feel if Kuldeep Yadav is playing, he will be difficult for the Aussies. And given the fact that David Warner will not be available for the first test, so then it's a big blow on Aussies. Again, I would come back to Kuldeep Yadav. That is because if you see this year, there has not been any cricket, and it is for the obvious reasons. Because of the pandemic, everything was on complete halt, and the normal life changed forever. And Kuldeep could not play consistently in the IPL, so his match practice has not been great if you see this year. So it is important for the think tanks and the management how they take care of Kuldeep Yadav, because I have a strong feeling that he will be the X factor, because he's a Chinaman bowler who has a lot of variations. And in Australia, if you look at the history, wrist spinners are more successful than the finger spinners. That's because the wicket doesn't assist the spinners too much. So when a wrist spinner bowls, because of the involvement of the finger and the wrist, they get little bit more purchase of the wicket in Australia than the finger spinners. If the wicket is turning, if the wicket is there are some footmarks, then obviously finger spinners, they can turn the ball, they can be difficult. But if it's a first day wicket where it is not assisting the spinners, that's when the wrist spinners, they come into play. I hope Kuldeep finds his form and he bowls well.